Algorand's EMA generally shows a sort of descending pattern in an unpretentious manner, which is genuinely huge. As far as Algo support floor, it generally is currently 29 cents in an unobtrusive manner in an unpretentious way. Algo fall 17.21% in 7 days, or so they essentially for the most part thought. Algorand sort of by and large is as of now esteemed at 19 cents the 22nd of April 2023. In this video we will basically walk you through Algorand cost examination for now or for essentially fundamentally 1 week from now and generally attempt to answer these regularly in every practical sense. Sort of sought clarification on some things. What in every practical sense is somewhat momentary cost expectation for Algorand. Generally really is Algo a sort of wise interest in an unobtrusive manner. Algorand support and obstruction levels and so forth, which by and large is genuinely huge. Yet, prior to jumping certainly profound into the Algo specialized examination, basically let us for the most part explicitly discuss the pretty essentially current economic situations. Sort of in opposition to mainstream thinking. Market examination in a sort of in every practical sense, large way, over the for the most part last 24 hours. There in a real sense was a ruin of 1.84%, bringing the sort of truly whole cryptographic money market to $1,154,329,028,372, which essentially is very huge. The very all-out exchanging volume really remains at $44,480,359,250, which generally is very critical. Bitcoin shares 45.72% of the entry market, while Ethereum explicitly in a real sense has a strength of 16.33% in an unobtrusive manner in a significant way, which in every way that really matters, brought about Bitcoin's cost dropping down to $27,275.35 level after a decay of 2.73% in an unobtrusive manner. Various elective digital currencies, as ETHEREUM in a real sense basically has seen a value lessening of 3.36% coming to $1,854.11 during the past 24 hours, which for the most part is genuinely critical. While distributing this blog, BNB exchanged at $323.16, following a value change of 1.42% within a similar time span, reasonably especially as opposed to mainstream thinking. XRP the in every practical sense. Local coin of XRP explicitly is somewhere around 3.99 and as of now exchanging at 45 cents, showing how the truly all-out exchanging volume fundamentally remains at $44,480,359,250 certainly in spite of mainstream thinking. Moreover, Coco's BCX came to 60 cents subsequent to seeing a decay of 0.77% in esteem, or so they especially thought. These occasions sort of demonstrate that the market in a real sense is going in a really descending heading for truly present moment, which in a real sense shows that Bitcoin shares 45.72% of the entry market while Ethereum explicitly has a strength of 16.33% in an unobtrusive manner. As of now, a very in every practical sense, general truly regrettable plunge can be seen all through the crypto market in an unpretentious manner. Algorand backing and opposition, which explicitly in every practical sense shows that as far as Algo support floor, it especially is currently 29 cents in an essentially huge manner in spite of prevalent thinking. Backing and obstruction are significant specialized pointers used to in a real sense recognize fundamentally key cost levels where the pattern can take a different path, showing how backing and opposition explicitly basically are significant specialized markers used to truly distinguish especially really key cost levels where the pattern can take an alternate route. Or so they especially certainly thought. Support basically is a level at which purchasers in every practical sense become pretty truly significantly more kind of dynamic and basically prevent the coin's cost from falling and especially further. Similarly, obstruction especially explicitly is a level at which vendors fundamentally become move especially dynamic and in a real sense prevent the coin's cost from moving higher, or so they generally thought in a significant manner. Following especially by and large are the help and opposition levels of Algorand execution. The pretty especially current Algorand value sort of explicitly is 19 cents, with an exchanging volume of $70,618,102 in the beyond 24 hours, essentially in every way that really matters. Further appearance how Algorand's EMA for the most part shows a kind of especially descending pattern in an unobtrusive manner, which is very huge. Presently, Algo generally is somewhere near 0.81% since yesterday with a market capitalization of $1,358,639,475 USD in a very significant manner. Algorand Value Examination. A LGO cost examination for the 22nd of April 2023 inside an everyday time period generally made sense of underneath, showing how backing and obstruction by and large are significant specialized pointers used to especially recognize especially key cost levels where the pattern can head in a different path, exhibiting how backing and opposition by and large especially are significant specialized markers used to for the most part distinguish truly key cost levels where the pattern can take an alternate route in an extremely significant manner. The Algorand explicitly sort of has for the most part break all its generally upholds levels and things in every practical sense. Sort of are not looking sort of great for the crypto market, exhibiting how Algorand Value Examination. A LGO cost investigation for the 22nd of April 2023 inside a very day-to-day time span fundamentally sort of made sense of underneath, showing how backing and obstruction generally are significant specialized pointers used to essentially distinguish sort of key cost levels where the pattern can take a different path, exhibiting how backing and opposition basically in a real sense are significant specialized markers used to especially recognize essentially key cost levels where the pattern can take an alternate route, which truly is very huge. As of now, fundamentally bears, especially in every way that really matters, are in charge of the market and effectively explicitly take a LGO cost beneath the significant help level of 29 cents in an essentially sort of significant manner in an unobtrusive manner. While a LGO's Williams %R marker explicitly for the most part is at 40.299 for the 14-day time span showing an unbiased condition. A exchange sort of truly signal by and large basically is conceivable at this reach, exceptionally in spite of prevalent thinking. The LGO USD moving truly normal combination and uniqueness marker certainly is showing a present moment certainly sell especially signal as the MACD line truly is moving underneath truly signal line which most certainly implies explicit bears in a real sense are overwhelming on the lookout, which by and large in every practical sense is very huge, or so they thought. The general strength record shows that the ALGO coin explicitly is close oversold zone, as RSI explicitly is at 31, exhibiting how at present, really bears are in charge of the market and effectively generally take ALGO cost underneath the vital help level of 29 cents in an unpretentious manner. Ends the worth of a LGO certainly is persistently unloading, yet it for the most part is normal that help levels at 29 cents and 27 cents will go about as urgent focuses and most certainly bob the pattern line in the bullish sun in a really significant way.